This year, I set out on my most daunting adventure yet. But it wasn't because of the rough roads, remote destinations, or harsh conditions. Since my son was born, it has been my goal to take him out on one of my trips, just me and him, and it was finally time.
And this is a great opportunity to try out a new Amazon purchase that I just got. Really excited to use it because it's really hot. Let's see what I bought. Inside this little box is a mister with little ties and then a little battery powered rechargeable pump. So this is going to be a little thing to help cool us off. Okay, so the spray from these is really nice. It's on the lowest setting right now. It's got 4 speeds, and it's kind of just blowing down to where we're on the picnic mat. It feels really good, especially in this heat. When you get up to the highest speed, like it pumps out a ton of water, but I also think it's probably going to go through a ton of water, which is why I've just left it on the lowest setting. It's just kind of gently misting us. I do have a lot of water in the back. I got 13 gallons in the alley cab. It also doesn't help when you have a toddler that's constantly playing in the water bucket and spilling it all over himself. Probably feels good now that he's soaking wet, but it does mean he used a lot of the water up already. But yeah, I like this. I'm glad I got it. It takes up very little space, so I'll put a link to it in the description so you can check it out.